Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. Good morning. I hope you guys are well, and I hope everyone balancing your life in home and outside life quite well. I know this is a tough situation, Corona things and all. This is a video that what secret they're hiding for. Like it's kind of a secret type of things. Like there would be some secret about your loved one, so someone close to you hiding a big secret. So this is about that reading, someone close to you hiding a big secret. So who is that person and who is hiding, what secret they are hiding? About that, three, two, one, one, two, three. So you can close your eyes, choose anything, one, two, three, and I'll quickly start this reading. Before that, please participate on giveaway, which is like happening in on my channel. I'm giving it on in the community page every day. I'm posting something of the other thing on community page, and you need to just comments on my post. You have to react on my post and commenting something, and then you have to comment on my video that how your situation is resonating with my reading and all that. That is all. Like every week two people will get giveaway, that is 15 minutes 5 question reading. That's totally free. And also I'm giving 1 day reiki healing session, like 40 35 to 45 minutes reiki healing session on 27th May. So for that also the same thing, like I would announce it on my community page, and you have to write on my community page. For subscribing my community page post, you have to subscribe my channel. Those who are new to my channel, I am a psychic medium. I'm a tarot card reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively. I have studied my divine spirituality bachelor's from University of Edinburgh, Scotland. I have 14 years healing experience and 8 years tarot experience. I am a Reiki healer. I am a master Oshishu Sheiki Ruhoyo and Karuna Reiki master on 2006 and 2008. Kabbalah healer since 2010 11, and then 2000 since 2012 I'm a tarot card reader. I also know the basic astrology, that is the basic Vedic astrology, and I'm doing my PhD on astrology from BHU. So that is like Banaras Hindu University. So that's all about me. I'm a Kabbalah expert and I do vision reading. I do some medium based reading. Also, I do reading like psychic reading for your past life, and horary chart analysis for black magic process. So if you want to know who has done black magic and when and whatever the process they followed, you need to actually do horary chart analysis. That is a part of Vedic astrology again. So you probably by this time now you have already chooses, like already choose your pile, and I am going to start with number one. Let's get started. So who is the close one who is hiding secrets, and what secret they are hiding? Your close one is hiding some secret. Let's see what kind of secret is this. I'm sensing some very strong Saturn energy. Definitely, you guys are Capricorn and Aquarian. I am sensing some water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisceans, Capricorn and Aquarian, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and someone like, definitely Aries. And you guys are your name starts with I and T and N, or ends with I, T, or N. That's the letter that starts or ends with C, and then V, E, S, D. So those would be your names, first and last letter of the name. Star energy and star quality, strong, very strong earth energy, no, sorry, very strong water energy I am feeling here. So who is actually hiding some secret from you? That's your mother. That's your mother hiding some secret from you. And what kind of secret he has thrown back to you, thrown back through your family? And he actually, sorry, she has thrown back from your family, and then she has struggled a lot, and she has hide these things for last 16 years. She's hiding these details of whatever happened with her during those periods. She is hiding this for last 16 years. Looks like your mother is kind of, tried asking something from your parents, like your father or your grandparents, and they refuse to see her potential, and then something happened which your mother has that things in the mind, some conflicts, something huge conflicts happen, and then she choose the other path to get the things done. So that other path what she choose actually that is in past, and that she is hiding still till the date. So what happened there? Your mother is a self-confident person. She wanted to grow in her career or in her life, probably in business, or in her career probably something like she wanted to grow in her career. And it looks like your grandparents or your somebody from your father's family was not able to give her that chance, like probably they are in-laws, and in-laws said no to her, and they said that okay, so you cannot basically do this work, and that's why she disappointed everyone, and she chose a different path to get these things done. She is a successful woman now, and I'm seeing that this is kind of a free spirit gypsy. They are a gypsy type of person, free spirit. Like your mother is like, what to say, like your mother is a free spirit, and nobody can actually stop her. So she took the other way, which is definitely not a right way or right path, but she took that path to discover her own self confidence and discover her own talent. So this was like not intentionally done, but she has done something which she is hiding since last 16 years, and that too from your siblings and you. This was somewhat your father's fault as well. Like I see that she has asked many times that to help him in her process. Like she wanted to grow, she wanted to have that. She decided to move into the self confidence, but like your father did not feel that what she's offering that is correct. So your father felt that she's offering something rubbish, and she cannot do whatever she is saying. And she learned in her way that she has to choose some other path, and she is basically a free spirit to free herself from that situation, to prove herself and get that growth. So she gone too far and she did something, and that is kind of a hidden secret for from you and your siblings till the date. And it's been almost, I'm seeing 16 to 20 years that these things are hidden, and probably now after sometimes you are going to you will be able to know, because somehow through me or something else, like okay, I'm also a medium, psychic medium, so through me universe is revealing, universe is trying to reveal that entire situation to you. So this is really intense, guys. I'm like, what should I say, um, this is something big about peer parents. So who is hiding? Your mom. And what is hiding? That you need to find out, like she what she has done 16 or 17 years back. Anyway, guys, this I don't want to get into too deep, because this is about parents and nobody wants to talk about their parents, so they don't like it. So I don't go too far. Number two, the pile number two. Let's see. Someone is hiding something. Who is that? I'm sensing Venus energy. Oh my god, I'm sensing also Mercury energy. Guys, please participate in free reading. Like I would love to see you guys getting free reading every week. There are two people who are getting free reading, and that's how they do get that. They actually um these guys are actually subscribe my channel and go through my community page post, and whatever I write there on the post, like they have to, all they have to do, they have to comments on that and comments on my video, and they get this free reading opportunity. So every week two people will get 15 minutes 5 question free reading. Also our one Reiki healing session that is for only one person on this month. Someone is hiding some secret from you. Who is that? Definitely the person who is hiding the secret, that is they are having a star energy, very strong star energy, definitely Aquarius, and definitely Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, and Aries and Leo. Aries, Leo, Libra, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Aquarian, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You guys have this date of birth of 8, 26 and 17, number 3, 21 and 12, number 6, 24 and 15, number 2, 20 and 11, number 4, number 3, number 22, number 7, number 16. So this would be your date of birth. um I told you what you guys are in Sun Moon Rising. Now who is hiding some secret? So that's the secret. Who is hiding from you guys is like your, definitely your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner. They say that they want to marry you, they want to commit, they will commit you something like probably marriage or engagement. They are definitely going to commit, but they had some sexual connection 7 months back with somebody else. This represent actually this is a, this represent actually a soulmate or a higher self energy here. It looks like probably a twin flame or soulmate journey. You guys are soulmate or twin flame. Definitely you are going to get married within 2 years. But what I'm seeing that you, even you will become happy, you would be happy in this marriage. But what has happened with your man, or what has happened with your woman in past, like this person had a sexual connection with someone else, and they never told you about it. If you give too much of like that small details, if you give if you observe those small details, if you don't ignore those small details, you give attention to the small details, you will know that this person has that had that affair with someone else 7 to 8 months back, and they were actually having sexual bonding or sexual connection with someone else, and that there something happened like just 4 months back. There were some conflicts happen, and then they came out of that situation, and they thought of getting married with you. You would be happy later in this relationship, and you will make a good family with this man or woman. But I am telling you one thing, this person is definitely hiding their third party situation or lover from you. They are not telling you that, but actually they had done something with that person, and you are not at all aware of it. But you will get to know about it within few months, like probably some 2 to 3 months or 8 months down to the line, you will get to know about it. They basically obsessed about you, they loved you, and they still love you, and they are kind of writing songs for you. I'm seeing somebody's writing songs, somebody's writing poems for you. uh, Person feels really intense about you. But they don't feel intimate about you. So just hear what I'm saying. This person feels really intimate about you, but they don't feel really feel intense about you, but they don't feel intimate about you. So the intimate connection with someone else, and you need to find out who is that person is. If you don't find that, if you just you ignore those small details, probably there would be a situation when you will get to know about it later and you feel disaster. You feel that everything became like everything is taken away from you. Your world has actually scattered somewhere. So better you, before you get married with this man or woman, you get to know about their secret. What was their secret? Their secret was having sexual or physical relationship with another man or woman, your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner. So they would definitely make family with you. They will have be a very good husband or wife. You will have a good family life. You deserve to have a good family life as well, because you are very good from heart, I'm seeing. But you have definitely these things in like you must know about it, and you must focus on in the small detailing, like small detailing of his life or her life. Then you will get to know what has happened, and when that, who is that person with whom he had that physical connection with. Rest, guys, this is their secret and it is revealed now. So now it's ball on in your court, ball is in your court, and you need to know what is the purpose of coming back to you and pulling back from them. So that was like the third party, your man or woman, like your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, thought that third party is kind of a fun, and then they pulled them back when that things came into something like, came into the commitment situation, and they gave you commitment, indeed giving them commitment, because there were some conflicts. They thought that the third party, they thought that you must go away from their life, because they had already, your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner had sex with them, and they were having a good sexual connection. And I will not see that here this third party is wrong. Here actually I'm feeling that your partner is wrong, because if he or she is looking for fun and then want to pull away from them, that's actually, nobody can accept that thing. Even you are in that person's place, they won't be able to accept that fact that, okay, so this person came in my life, used me for physical connection or physical relation, and then left me. And why that person left them? Because they also get to know, the relationship started almost 7 to 8 months back, and then just before 4 months, this third person get to know about you, that this man is, or this man or woman is already committed to with you. And there were a conflicts. They asked for, same time they asked for commitment, and they asked that your partner to break up with you. And then when they did not come into this situation, like they throw back some tantrum to them, they throw back they throw them off from their life. Then they are like very angry, and they said, no, I'm not going to accept it. And there were lots of conflicts, and this man or woman came back to you and said that they want to get married with you. So you must know, before starting, all my concern is, okay, let these things, all things go. All my concern is, before starting the family, you must know the secret. You must focus in the small detailings of his things or her things. You must give full attention to his or her things, and you will get to know who is this person and what has happened. When the truth came out of the path, like this is a spiritual path, you must reveal the truth, you must know the truth, and then take a decision. Do not get married, do not give them commitment without knowing what has happened. Okay, so pile number 3, let's see, who is this someone keeping secret from you, and what is their secret is about. Universe, please help. Give the right card. What is this happening? Okay, so here it goes. You guys are Sun, Moon, Rising, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, and Libra, Aquarian, and Gemini, and Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn. Now, who is this person who is keeping secret from you guys? That is your lover, your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, and partner. So, what happened to them? You are their true love. You love them truly, and they love you truly. Now, you have good position in society. What I am seeing, that you are a creative person. You are probably something like a creative person, arts or some form of creative, some playful stuffs you do, and you are quite a creative person, and your energy flows everywhere. And this man or woman, like your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, they love that energy. They feel like, oh my god, this person is awesome, and I must get married with this woman, or I must get married with this man. So they feel like you are so beautiful, your energy flows in such a way, like total positive energy, and they feel good about you, and they definitely want to marry you. So that is for sure. And they also want to have children with you. They write poems, they write stories about you on their diary every day. They write poems, they write songs for you. So they are quite romantic towards you. But I am actually seeing that there is this person has somebody else in their life. That is like they were in something which I thought like, uh, okay, so they are in a third party connection, and they were having this third party connection, not in third party connection now. So they had this third party connection, and they had again here also the sexual obsession with this third party connection. They had sex with this person, and then this person basically this person cut off that third party even without his or her consent. So what has happened, like they use them properly, they have used them, they had fun with them, they had sex with them, basically they had a playful things with them, and then they cut off this person without even that person's knowledge. They said something like, hey, I would just give an example of this situation. Probably somebody comes back to you and say that, hey, you know what, my mother is unwell and I won't be able to talk to you for another 3 to 6 months, and down to the length that person never comes back to the person, and they that he or she keep waiting for that person, and then one day they vanish their phone number and all the details. So they don't know anything about this person. Basically this is a total fraud, and this has done by your partner. So there were a third party connection whom they found from they this your partner is also from a creative, also from creative field. They are also a creative person, arts or some kind of creative things. They comes from a creative background, and they met this person there in some seminar or in some gathering, social gathering, and they play it safe. How they play it safe? Your person's exact name, the true name, the true identity, not this third party knows nothing about your person's true identity. So this your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, what they did, they were in sexual connection with this men or women for almost 4 to 5 months, 6 months, and then they left that person. They just left that person without even saying anything, just without even their concern, without telling them anything. They just cut them off. and they kept on waiting for this man or woman, and they never went back to them. And this person, this third party, is in like some kind of distress, and they are like, where this person left. And now, that particular time when this third party was running in their life, that everything was going on, too much of fun going on, they actually cut you off from their life, and now they came back to you to do engagement. So they are going to promise you with the next, after like 6 or 7 months, they are going to actually give you commitment. They are willing to, they are ready to give commitment, and you have a good family life with this person. But the thing is, like, I am unable to understand this person energy. Like, they did a total fraud and mess with one another person, another girl or another boy or another man or woman, and then coming back to the person whom they actually feel passionate about. Like, they are too passionate about you, they feel too intense about you, they write songs for you, poems for you, they are coming back to you, and they are getting married, they are willing to get married with you, willing to give commitment. But when they, the same time, the thing is like, where they just cheated one person. So here you are getting this person, but they actually came out of this cheating things, like they did this fraud things, and then came out from that situation and then getting married to you. So this is kind of a total fraud, I will say. Guys, this pile, I think I forgot to tell your date of birth, like number 7, 25, and 16, number 6, 24, and 15, number 8, 26, and 17, number 7, number 14, number 13, number 10, 28, and 1, number 8, number 4, number 6. So this would be your date of birth. Guys, this is their secret. This is your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner secret, and that is all about. You don't know about it. You feel that they treat you like a queen or like a king, or they love you so much, and that is your thinking. But actually, this is the truth of them. Try to find out these things. I'm not sure whose energy I'm connecting with, but try to find out. So here is the video ends, guys. Please participate in free reading. Please subscribe the channel and please participate in free reading. Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day. God bless you.